The world of finance is changing faster than ever. New technology, shifting economic conditions, and evolving funding models are transforming how businesses manage money and access capital. If you're a business owner, staying ahead of financial trends can help you make smarter decisions and position your company for long-term success. In today's episode of Cube Capital TV, we're discussing key trends in finance every business owner should watch. Trend number 1, the rise of alternative financing. One of the biggest trends in finance today is the rise of alternative financing. Traditionally, businesses relied heavily on banks for loans, but today, many entrepreneurs are turning to alternative lenders, private funding groups, and fintech platforms for faster and more flexible funding. These options often provide quicker approvals, fewer restrictions, and access to capital that many small businesses may not qualify for through traditional banks. For growing businesses, this shift is opening new doors to expansion and opportunity. Trend number 2, AI and financial technology. Another major trend is the growth of artificial intelligence and financial technology, often called fintech. AI-powered tools are helping businesses analyze financial data, forecast cash flow, and identify opportunities for growth. From automated bookkeeping systems to intelligent financial dashboards, technology is making it easier for entrepreneurs to manage their finances more efficiently. Businesses that embrace these tools can gain powerful insights that help them make faster and smarter decisions. Trend number 3, digital payments and cashless transactions. Digital payments are also transforming how businesses operate. Customers are increasingly using mobile payments, digital wallets, and online payment platforms instead of cash. For businesses, this means faster transactions, improved record keeping, and easier financial tracking. Companies that adopt modern payment systems often improve both customer experience and operational efficiency. Trend number 4, stronger focus on cash flow management. Another critical trend is the growing focus on cash flow management. Business owners are realizing that revenue alone does not guarantee financial stability. Successful companies carefully monitor how money moves in and out of their business to ensure they can cover expenses, invest in growth, and handle unexpected challenges. Understanding and managing cash flow is becoming one of the most important financial skills for entrepreneurs. The financial world will continue to evolve, and businesses that stay informed about emerging trends will have a competitive advantage. From alternative financing to AI-powered financial tools, the opportunities for growth are expanding. If you want more insights on funding, finance, and building stronger businesses, be sure to subscribe to Cube Capital TV and stay connected for future episodes.